Hi everyone, welcome back to Crochet Rocks, and I've got a little parcel to show you, and you can class this as an unboxing, as happy mail, or as something exciting for Hobby Rocks shop. All of those things apply. So they've taped this up really well, so this is going to be a bit of a mission to get in it. I might tackle it from the bottom, not the front. That I found a way in. That's a little on the saggy side. Try not to stab myself. I nearly did. There we go. I'm in the, well, I'm kind of in. No, I'm not in. Why on earth? I mean, I do this, don't I, really? I have to apologise now to everyone who's ordered from me, because this does resemble my taping. At least it's arriving securely. That's the way I look at it. Just got to get this side. There we go. I'm in. And am I properly in? Yep. There we go. Come on, you want to cut, don't you? Right, there we go. Nearly in. There's always a way. Where there's a will, there's a way. So this is an order of stuff that I got from another wholesale company. But I was looking... Okay, let me start at the beginning. I've been given with my orders, I did at the first give a few little gifts away, and then I was trying to give away a stitch marker and a few things every now and then, and I wanted something a little bit nicer than what I had. So I was searching for some stitch markers, and plus I did order packs of ordinary stitch markers to put on my website, and they did arrive. I remember seeing them, but heaven knows where they are. Lost them. So I've come across them one day, but for now I wanted something that was a little bit nicer, a little bit more snazzy, a bit more special as a stitch marker. So I ordered these. I love these so much. They are little yarn balls. Look at that. Oh my god, how can you be excited over little yarn ball stitch markers? But I don't know, but I am. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in each pack. I bought some to split up so that I could do them as little free gifts and stuff like that for people who've ordered. But they also are I'm going to put some on my website because they are just so cute. Oh, look at those little yarn balls. Now I did see some other kind of yarn balls, but you can't really get them you know, in this kind of quantity. They were just like the odd pack. But aren't they just the most adorable things you've ever seen in your life? And they do them where they're just pink, but so I ordered quite a few. Not as many as I'd like, but I wanted to see what they were like first. But I've got enough to put on my website and to use some as free gifts. But I've got to get them out again because I love them. They're just so cool. Oh wow, I'm sold. So these are stitch markers, and they're designed to put the loop through your loop, and then you put the ball in, put the ball through, and it holds the stitch. Now I've got some that I've been giving away with little cats on that do exactly the same. You can put the little bulldog clip on them if you want to, but all you do is put the hook, the loop, sorry, through your loop, and through your stitch, and put the ball through this loop, and it holds it. Oh, I'm so excited just about these, just about those. But I ordered some really nice needles as well, because I'd got a selection of needles, but I ordered some more. Some giant crochet hooks. It's really hard to get hold of these sizes anywhere, so I ordered a few of, I think they're 15s. Are they 15s? I think they are. That one's a 12, I believe, and that one is a 15. So I will be putting those on. The purple one's a bit smaller, but they are hard to find, I've found. That makes no sense. But look at the size of that baby. Wow. So I've got a few of those to put on, and as I say, a few of the needles. We have the bent one, and well, they're all bent ones, I think. I'm not sure I've got any straight ones, but I could get quite a few packs so that I can put some on. And I got a few of the crochet hooks. That's not all though. lots and lots of these. Oh, I just love it. I'm going to be using those. You can betcha bottom dollar. And I also ordered these. Now, I love these so much. I'm having a pair for myself because, you know, I use the little stalk scissors. And, well, I love those rainbow kind of, they're like oil slick rainbow. Do you know what I mean? That kind of vibe. Well, these ones are guitars. And as soon as I saw them, I'm, you know, Crochet Rocks and Hobby Rocks. So I've got to have the guitar, man. You've got to have the guitar. So I ordered some of those. And I didn't order like thousands yet. I wanted to know what they were like, if they were any good first. So I've got a pair for me, and the rest are going to go on Hobby Box. But let's get mine out, shall we? Have a little look. Oh, they're gorgeous. Oh, they're super. Oh my God, I really love them. Look at the design. Look at this, like they've got etchings on. How can I be this excited over silly little things? But I can and I am. Oh well, what can I say? I can't wait. I can't wait to use one. I just love these so much. Look at them, they're really darling little balls of yarn. They're so cute. So yeah, that's my... really? If I'd have seen these first, I'd have bought thousands of these. But I've already got lots of stalk ones. I think I've got gold stalk. They might be slightly larger. Just have to look at the sizes. And I've got the stalks that are this kind of vibe. Oh wow, but the guitar, just had to have it. If only Mike, my youngest son, was crafty, I'd give him a pair of these. Because, you know, he plays piano, guitar and everything else. So, but yeah, isn't that brilliant? I'm extremely excited. And I did put my necklight on just in case I needed to read these things. Should we, as one of these packs is mine, we'll open mine. This is the stitch markers. See what it says? Yarn, pearl, crystal. They're yarn. They must do pearls and crystals as well. What does it say here? Oh, there's a pattern for socks. Shows you where to find it. Here they are, look. There's a pattern for socks. Obviously it's not printed on the back of this, but you can go get that pattern. And others as well. Brilliant, I love it. I absolutely love it. I thought I ordered the pink ones, but maybe I didn't. Maybe I just thought, no, we don't want the pink. We want bright colours. Wow. I need to make something now where I have to hold stitch. It's essential. I need to do it. Well, I hope you like my little order. Well, it's, obviously I ordered lots of these because, as I said, I wanted to maybe put them in my little pot of ones to give away. I've got butterflies, I've got pussycats, and I now have yarn balls galore, yarn balls everywhere. And I'm really super excited about these because I want to try one. I have some really mega thick yarn. Looks like rope, but it is the softest, and I wanted to make something this winter with that, and I needed an enormous hook, and I don't think I've got one quite as big as this. I mean, I have got big ones that came free in magazines and all sorts, and ones, I think it's a tulip one actually that I ordered ages ago, but you just can't get them, you know. So I figured I'd give it a go, see what they're like. I'm just in love with these. My next tutorial I do, you're going to be seeing these feature. Oh. So it's only a little box, but wow, what a lot of enjoyment and fun I'm going to have from my little box of goodies. I'm going to get busy and upload those to my website, which is www.hobbyrocks.co.uk. There is still going a June discount voucher code, whatever you want to call it, coupon, valid throughout the whole of June. You can use it beginning of June, you can use it at the end of June. Doesn't mean you can only use it once, you can use it all through June. So, you know, you can use it as many times as you like, but just only once on each transaction. So, that being said, There is a link just under the video to that website. There's also a link under there showing the coupon code, which all you got to do is cut and paste it. It is Flaming June 10, capital F for Flaming, capital J for June, 10, all one word, no gaps. And then otherwise just cut and paste it and it will still work. Thanks for watching. I can't wait to use I'm like a kid, honestly, seriously, really excited. Anyway, thank you for watching. Stay safe everyone, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.